Hello, my name's Nathan Brown, a member of Team A for the Spring 2019 Senior Design Project, Pairing with Pure Fishing. Here we have the rod guide installation tool that we have prepared. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to properly assemble the guides onto the rod using our new tool. The first step is to ensure that all the alignment tools on the back side of each tool is properly closed. In this case, all of them have been closed already except this last one. In order to close it, take the toggle clamp and push it closed. You'll notice that a guide is properly aligned when the toggle clamp fits securely on the outer side of the inner casing. The next step is to take your rod and insert it into the tools. In this case, we have a GX2 7-foot rod. In order to ensure proper alignment of the rod, take the last marking you'll see on the rod and pair it with the front face of the farthest tool to your left. You'll notice once you place it in the tools that it should snap into place in all places. Once it's properly been snapped into place, you know that the rod is perfectly aligned with the tools and there will be no slip when you go to spin it. The next step is to begin inserting the guides into the guide sockets. You want to begin with the guide alignment tool that is connected to the smallest diameter portion of the guide. In this case, we will be using a size 6 guide. What I've noticed the best way to insert these guides is to grab the guide by the foot and place it into the guide socket. You'll notice a quick snap into place to ensure that it is again properly aligned. For this section of the assembly process, we determined that Brig was actually much better at wrapping the guides on. So therefore I passed this duty along to him. Something that should be noted is that the lathe that we use has a much smaller RPM than traditionally used. That explains why it is taking longer to wrap the guide than normal. It should also be noted that we have not been able to master the cut and burn technique, and for that we did not show it in this video. The same process for this guide would be then repeated for the remaining 6 guides. Once all the 7 guides have been wrapped, the final step is to ensure that the alignment tool is inserted one more time to guarantee proper alignment. Once this is done, the rod can be removed and it is ready to be moved to the next station. This concludes the installation video for the GX2 7-foot fishing rod.